I enter from liquidity zones. Now the liquidity zones are the zones I'm showing you. Have you realized that if someone gets a good trade of gold which has over 200 pips, you put in a lot size of, let's say, 3, because for me in 2 million UDX I can put in lot 3 of gold. If at all I've got a good sniper entry and not so much of risking, right? Do you know that lot 1 is giving you $2,000, right? It means that lot 3 is giving you 6k USD. Now that one is for maybe people who have mastered and those people who have the psychology. You know, money is emotion. But have you realized that, okay, if at all you get 100 pips of gold, that's 3k USD. But guys, 3k USD is like 10M to 11M UDX. That's why this year 2024, you can see the trades that I'm taking. This year we started it with making a lot of money, starting from the trades that we took, the NFP. This thing is not more of you knowing how to trade. It is more of you knowing or of you being creative. Because if you calculate me where do I take my trades? Me, depending on the conference that I use, for sure, I take my entries from here. It means I can even have a stop loss which can't go over 10 pips. So what does it mean? May I enter from liquidity zones? When they sweep liquidity, Stuart enters. Whenever you see all the sweeping liquidity, I don't miss. If at all I'm chatting, they sweep liquidity, I enter from the liquidity zones because I trust the process and I've done this thing for the shortest time, but I have the experience of it, right? So whenever they sweep liquidity, I enter. Do you know why? Market we get hard time to liquidate me again, because for gold I know how gold moves. When they liquidate, I know how many times they liquidate, over 2 or 3 on a certain zone. So I know the time I'm to enter in, and if they liquidate, I know where they stopping. Now, for me, whenever I enter from liquidity zones here, I be on a very safe side because my drawdown will be small. Even my small account will have to be big, because I'll try to enter from the smallest zone down there, right? So when I enter from there, let's say lot 3 of what? Of gold. I'm targeting only 200 pips of gold. You know gold, I just move the 200 pips in just even, minutes or hours, right? So that's 6k USD. But you guys, if you to calculate what 6k USD is, you can really know that it is over 20, 22, 23M, right? So that's good money for you to start. And that's good money for you to bet. I like to act as your capital. Because when you make that certain amount, like over 20M, you can do your trades, your other trades, using the capital of like 2M per trade, right? Because you don't risk that amount that you've just made. You can't risk it all, right? So that's how things move. I enter from liquidity zones. Now the liquidity zones are the zones I'm showing you. Let's act wise. I told you, discipline, patience. Be patient, right? Wait for the market to reach your zone. Please, even if market is here, even if it is promising like what, even if it tells me so, even if you enter here, I'm going to give you 1M. When it is not my entry model, or when it is not my everyday thing that I used to enter, I don't enter charts. You get? So when you look at this market, the orders of the what? Of the big men. When you enter from the liquidity zones, here they are there. Or if you wait for the candlesticks to get closed, like now this candlesticks were closed above our entry, so we took out the trades. We took this trade, it was like a Friday, and we made some good amount. These are over 400 pips. I did take them all, but I took like 200 pips. And that's some good amount. You get? So that's how things move. Remember, this market doesn't just move before sweeping the liquidity. Right? So when you look here, I'm doing this setup. So now, where do we expect gold to go right now? And I just gave out the signals yesterday in my Google Meets. Please endeavor to join my telegrams. I give out free setups and then free Google like analysis, market insights, because at least I'm more experienced than some people, right? So endeavor to be there, right? So when you look here, I told guys yesterday that guys, we are going to buy gold a bit, right? You are you seeing here? Are you seeing here? So we are going to. I told them because this market came and it went up to here, then again. Okay, it came from these zones. It went up to here, so it had retested this zone. You know the break and retest in price action. I think I told you from last time, right? So when it retested here, I knew because I had conferences here in the morning. You know, for me, I take trades. Then people be like, where have you got the buy, where have you got the sell? They just see it progressing just from, but that experience and the conferences that I use makes me get at least sniper entries. If we could show you the sniper entries that we have. So I knew that gold had to buy. But if it had to buy, then moved out from here. That experience I told you, I can know that now this market wants to misbehave and I'll be like, okay, let me move out. So when you look here, I gave out a signal like this. And I even gave out money on that Google Meet, because after like teaching like this here, I asked them the question, and everyone who could answer, I sent him at least $30. Yes, yesterday night. And those Google Meets, I give out money when someone answers the question. So here, I told them that guys, I'm going to sell gold. Why? I do a setup like this, and you had to answer why Stuart would sell gold. That means for me, I can wait for a setup for a full day without entering anything. I can wait for a setup for a full day. Reason, me, I have that discipline. I know. When you go on just, I want the money, markets will always teach you. That one is also trading cycle. You have to, the time you be in church, you just learn how this thing has to move. So, when we are finalizing about this thing at the equity zone, I told them, guys, I want to sell gold from here, this zone. And someone could be like, Stuart, why are you going to? What's the reason why you're going to sell that pair? I was like, guys, answer. People answered it in this one. I gave them money, yeah. But in which way? Someone noticed about the previous day's high that we have in the charts, and someone noticed the previous week's low that we have. Where are they? And which makes it to have the equal highs here. So those equal highs have to be swept for me to enter the market. Where are they? To show you that even these markets will be like, we are always alert and we always look at these markets. This was the NFP high. I know it has not been swept. So in whatever market it does, it has to sweep this high. This was the Friday's low, previous day's low. It has not been swept. So these are equal highs here. You can see 1, 2, 3 equal highs here. And also this is a good zone. So on the price action members, you will see that here, this zone could be a very good selling zone. Right? But if market touches that, I don't just sell like that. I wait for market to sweep these highs. I go in full margin. Right? If you can't go full margin and you have to go in this market slowly, it means we have to wait for the candlesticks which are soaked in liquidity to close it below the entry level that you have. To close it below that 1 hour candle, to close it below. When it closes below, enter in full margin, you just thank me later. That's how we deal with these levels. Unless if you've not understood it well, when you keep on watching these videos, I will have to explain to you maybe, or even show you more about these levels. But that's how we get liquidity levels. They are very good. They give you sniper entries. You don't be so much of, markets make pullbacks, but whenever they make pullbacks, when you enter from liquidity levels, you be like, let it just move. You get. So thanks for today. We just keep up the channel. Join my Telegram links, but WhatsApp links in the bio. Just follow the page, share it so that maybe we just establish this free knowledge in Uganda. We all need to get money. No one wants that. No one wants to be poor, right? So have a nice time.